and Mr. J. Matias. Your presence makes today's celebration even more meaningful as we lift up the season with joy and togetherness. This year, together with the annual Christmas tree lighting ceremony, we are bringing together more holiday activities for families and friends to enjoy, creating lasting memories together. Share your gifts of friendship and joy this holiday season through the SM Besties of Joy. A simple impact of giving that brings comfort, kindness, and connection. Join the holiday fun and connect the life of crisis through this year's SM Christmas Village digital game. Let us also lift our heart with the harmonies of the World Chorale Day and catch the SM Holly Squad and make the most and happiest holiday weekends packed with carols, fun activities, and festive moments with the whole family and friends. Through the Christmas festivities at SM, we hope to strengthen ties that binds us to our loved ones, like the ribbon wrap the holiday decor. It's a symbol of family, togetherness, and shared joy. May this season bring us even closer as we celebrate love, laughter, togetherness here at SM. Once again, thank you and Merry Christmas to everyone.
Thank you very much, Mr. Reed. And now, let's hear from some of our distinguished guests. Let's put our hands together for the Provincial Tourism Officer, Ms. Jan Mara San Pedro.
Mabuhay! Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Before I begin, I would like to greet, of course, ang ating napaka-energetic na Assistant Mall Manager, Sir Kelvin Wee. Palakpakan po natin si Sir Kelvin. We also have representatives from the Bureau of Fire, City Fire Sir Marshal, Sir Ryan L. Miss Ryan L. Pascual. Nabibiktima po ako. Ayan. Magandang gabi po, ma'am. Good evening. And the representatives also, nakasama po ni Ma'am Ryan. We also have representatives from CDRRMO, led by LDRRM Officer to RJ Dean Santarena. Magandang gabi po sa inyo. We also recognize Police Executive Master Sergeant Eric Rosario. Sir, good evening po. Magandang gabi. So tonight, but of course, ating pong friends from the media, good evening po, and ang the Nueva Ecija Vloggers Association, I think nandito rin po sila. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. So tonight, as we witness the lighting of this magnificent Christmas display here at SM Mega Center, Cabanatuan, we are reminded that the true light of Christmas shines not just from the decorations around us, but from the joy, generosity, and hope that live within each of us. On behalf of the provincial government of Nueva Ecija, led by Governor Aurelio Oy Matias Umali and Vice Governor Hill Raymond Lemon Umali, we extend our heartfelt greetings and warmest congratulations to the entire SM Mega Center Cabanatuan family. Congratulations po, palakpakan po natin ang pamilya ng SM Mega Center for bringing the magic of the holidays closer to the Novo Ecijano community once again. The Provincial Tourism Office is also delighted. Medyo marami na kami napagkwentuhan ni Sir Kelvin kanina. And to team up with SM Mega Center Cabanatuan for some upcoming tourism and community activities that will continue to highlight the creativity, hospitality, and unity of Novo Ecijanos. Together, we look forward to creating meaningful experiences that celebrate our people and strengthen our shared vision of making Nueva Ecija truly the heart of Central Luzon. May tonight's celebration inspire us to share kindness, support for our local communities and businesses, and embrace the blessings of the season with grateful hearts. Once again, on behalf of the provincial government of Nueva Ecija, led by Governor Ariado Oymacha Somali, congratulations SM Mega Center Cabanatuan on this radiant Christmas lighting. We are very excited, sir. Ayan, alam po natin pinaghandaan itong mabuti ng SM Mega Center. And may this year's festivities fill every home with peace, love, and never-ending light of Christmas. Maligayang Pasko po sa inyong lahat. Pakibati po ang mga katabi natin ng Merry Christmas in advance. Merry Christmas po. Congratulations and thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Ms. San Pedro. This is the moment that we've all been waiting for. May we call on our representative from SM Supermalls as well as our distinguished guest to join us here in front of SM Mega Center Cabanatuan Centerpiece 2025. Mr. Calvin SV of SM Mega Center Cabanatuan. Ms. Jan Mara San Pedro from Provincial Tourism Office. City Fire Marshal Ryan L. Pascual of Bureau of Fire Protection. Mr. R.J. Dean Centerina of City Disaster and Risk Reduction Management Office. And Police Executive Master Sergeant Eric Rosario. May we ask our distinguished guests to stand by for a photo opportunity. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to line up and experience the happiest holiday here at SM Mega Center Cabanatuan? Brace yourselves as we begin the happiest and the brightest time of the year in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1!
With giant trees, dance and light like Yuletide balls. Celebrate Christmas at SM Malls. Let's bring out our lists and come to buy our gifts here at SM Malls. Christmas can't get better than this. It's the happiest place to be. Perfect for all, for you and for me. Joyful season, one and all. Celebrate Christmas at SM Malls. Celebrate Christmas at SM Malls. Oh, and all. Bring your family.
Let's celebrate the happiest holiday at SM Supermalls. Take a virtual stroll through SM Mega Center Cabanatuan's dazzling Ribbon Ride, where red ribbon marches guide into a world of holiday magic. This enchanting display bursts in festive cheer, towering Christmas trees adorned